Hey there. Ever wondered what SIP actually means and why everyone talks about it when it comes to investing? Let me break it down for you. SIP stands for Systematic Investment Plan. And yes, it's as simple as it sounds. You pick a mutual fund. You decide how much you want to invest, let's say a fixed amount every month. And then, like clockwork, that amount gets invested for you automatically. Imagine coins dropping into a jar, month after month, building up over time. Here's why people love SIPs, especially young professionals like us. First, consistency. You don't need to save up a huge lump sum to get started. Even a small amount, invested regularly, can add up to something big. It's like setting up your coffee machine to brew every morning. Effortless, but it gets the job done. Now, let's talk about rupee cost averaging. This is just a fancy way of saying, by investing a fixed amount regularly, you automatically buy more units when prices are low and fewer when prices are high. Over time, this can help even out the highs and lows, reducing your risk without you having to time the market. Think of it as smoothing out the bumps on a road trip. But the real magic? It's all about discipline and long-term wealth building. With SIP, your investment grows gradually, riding the power of compounding, where your money earns returns, and those returns earn more returns. Picture a line graph climbing slowly but steadily upwards. That's your money working hard while you focus on your career, your life, your dreams. And because SIPs are automated, you don't have to remember to invest or worry about market ups and downs. Just set it and forget it. Like flipping calendar pages every month, knowing you're building your future one step at a time. So, why do investors love SIP? Because it's simple, smart, and perfect for anyone who wants to invest without overthinking it. No financial jargon, no stress, just good habits and steady growth. If you found this helpful, make sure to subscribe to Digital Jack of All Trades for more simple finance tips. Let's make smart money moves together.